1112222. I think we are good to go, bro. So this $40 microphone changed my audio game forever for the past 3 years, and since I've been using this microphone, it delivers a good audio quality that it made me rethink every audio that I've bought in the past years as a creator. And I'm going to I'm going to test this in different environments to see how it performs. But before we do that, let's know what we are dealing with before we get shocked about the results. You know what I'm saying? This is Boya BYBM 2021. What's up guys, it's Gerald the Kaga here. This is a super cardioid shotgun camera mount microphone. It is designed to favor sounds coming out directly in front of it and reject sounds at the sides. And you can hear me at the back of the microphone. This is it. This is the back of the microphone, and at the side of the microphone and the other side of the microphone. But at the front it delivers good audio quality. And the frequency response is between 40 Hz to 20 kHz, which balances human hearing. You know what I'm saying? Too much of the frequency makes it sound harsh, and too little makes it sound dull. But the frequency balances it to what we can hear, and much more on axis than off axis. You know what I'm saying? And the sensitivity is around minus 35 decibels to plus or minus 3 decibels, which is okay, and it is not too sensitive to pick up the background noises and the noise of your neighbors. You know what I'm saying? And it is not that too weak that you have to crank up your volume when editing. You know what I'm saying? So if I have any word for this mic, it is called simplicity. This mic nails it. You know what I'm saying? This mic is shipped with a 3.5mm TRS and TRRS cable, and this cable, not minding, the TRRS cable is longer than the TRS. If you ask me, I don't know, both are 3.5mm. I don't consider that, you know what I'm saying? But it serves what we want it to do. So if I should recommend anything in this review, you should come with a longer TRS and TRRS cable. Right now I'm holding this with my hand, and you should also come with a tripod to assist it. You know what I'm saying? So this is my phone shooting. I'm shooting on the Tecno Camon 19 Pro, and this is the Boya BYBM 2021, holding it on my hand since this video starts. So you should come with a longer cable. And the best part is it doesn't come with any battery. You can just plug it and it works directly with your phone or your device or anything that you want to use as a recorder. You know what I'm saying? And no issues of battery dying, no issues of buying another expensive batteries to support it, and it saves time, saves energy, saves everything now. So I just love it. The first thing you notice when you hold it on your hand is how light it is. Yes, it's actually very light, 62 grams, and a baby could actually hold this and run. Yeah. Right now I can display that I'm holding it on my hand, but you can see some distortion on the audio. But yeah, it's sensitive. I recommend this to a creator that values high quality audio but spends less money. If you're a creator on YouTube, a vlogger, or a podcaster, this goes with you. This serves your purpose and it will service much more better than buying more expensive ones to save you cost and to save you money. While I was waiting for the sun to come out, this is me testing the microphone on the environment of our blessed, serene environment of our university, and I'm here speaking to you, not that loud but confidently on my own voice. You know what I'm saying? I hope you can hear me. This is where I hand the microphone. Okay, so I hope there's enough wind, there's enough background noises, the birds, the trees flying around, waving their hands, and the noise they make. And let's hopefully wait for cars for them to pass. So, while I was discussing, one of the most important things that a creator has to be is focusing on one thing and one thing only. If you start off as a creator and you are making a lot of mistakes about a particular something, you should maybe divide those things into pieces. You know what I'm saying? And start baking them one by one. Bake sound one. For making this video possible, I'm only focusing on sound, telling you what the Boya BYBM 2021 has to offer without me thinking, oh, I have to wait for the sound to come out, I have to wait for the background noises to reduce. But here I'm testing it, proving what the company that provided this microphone or that produced this microphone to us to use, and whether if what they wrote on the paper matches with the real world scenarios. You know what I'm saying? For you to get on your purchase decision. So I'm here testing only one thing. So if you can focus on one thing, maybe it is making your visuals to be clear, making bureaus to be clear, focusing on only audio. If you want to get something, maybe you are having a bad camera, you should get fix your own audio for someone to hear, because audio tells everything about you know what I'm saying? But for me, I basically make everything to happen than me focusing on one thing, you know what I'm saying? So I get everything to be on average before making it one, before focusing on one thing, you know what I'm saying? And that hits me hard, you know. A creator rushing to make everything possible to create a tangible video for someone to watch and appreciate. And I hope I get appreciation from this video. Like, comment. I would love to see your comment on the video. And yeah, and that car passed, and you can hear the background of the sound of the cars. This is a correct position for vloggers or streamers, you know what I'm saying? And this is how streamers usually film or do whatever they're doing on the internet, either providing solution for someone to understand something, or passing through a message and information for you to know something, or making you funny faces to laugh, to enjoy yourself. There's many things going on in this world, man. You just have to find what you want on the internet and focus on that. You know what I'm saying? And this is how they do their vlogging. They talk about stuffs and then let the life live on. So I'm trying to get, if I'm going to run with this, so you can see how it's shaky. Actually, my tripod is making the noise that I see now, but let's try to run. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, ready? Wow! Wow! Damn! That's gone off. So I don't know if I'm going to hold this on my hand to run on, but according to a small example that I made about this microphone while running, I think you can see if actually you can have a long TRS cable. This will actually be nice, meaning you can hold both two tripods on your hand to run. That would be difficult, but I think you have to have enough creative ideas for you to make one of the most important decisions about purchasing this microphone. Actually, mounting is a problem. So if you are wondering what my phone gives you off acoustic microphone. This is exactly the sound that it produces. So which one is best? For me, I choose the microphone because it's more bassy, you know what I'm saying? And I don't have to, if I'm far away from my camera, from my phone, something like this, you won't be hearing me as loud as possible, you know what I'm saying? And then if I'm back in front of the camera, I have to attach a wide angle lens on it. So if you're wondering what it sounds on my room in my hostel, this is what it sounds, and it is still echoey here, but this is what it sounds on the Holo built-in camera microphone on my Techno Camon 19 Pro. Be creative with whatever you are doing, and this is where I hang up this microphone. It will be funny, bro. This is it. On my tripod stand, I hang up this so it can produce me a high quality audio without me holding it on my hand like how we did on the video. Creativity. That's a godly respect to our creator. All I have to say in the final verdict is that this mic punches away above its class for $40, and I love it, and I love the purchase decision, and I will recommend this. And I will recommend this. Why am I stammering, bro? And I will recommend this 1,000 times. So catch you guys in the next one, and stay tenacious. Yeah.